Welcome to our detailed comparison between the TP-Link Archer A6 V3 and WR841N V14 routers. Let's examine how these two routers differ in terms of wireless performance, security, hardware, and software features. Wireless. The Archer A6 V3 supports Wi-Fi 5 standards, offering at 1200 speeds with 867 MPs on the 5G Z band and 300 MPAs on the 2.4 GHz band, making it suitable for medium-sized homes. With its 4 fixed high-performance antennas and beamforming technology, it provides extended coverage and improved signal strength. On the other hand, the WR841N operates on Wi-Fi 4 standards, delivering N300 speeds with 300 MPs on the 2.4 GHz band, ideal for smaller spaces, but it features only 2 fixed antennas. Security. Both routers come equipped with essential security features such as spy firewall, access control, and IPA binding to safeguard your network from unauthorized access and threats. They also offer guest network functionality for secure guest access. However, the Archer A6 V3 stands out with its VPN server support, including OpenVPN and NPIP protocols, ensuring secure remote access to your network. Hardware. The Archer A6 V3 boasts a dual-core CPU, 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports, providing faster data transfer speeds and reliable wired connections. It also offers multiple working modes for versatile network setup. In contrast, the WR841N V14 features a single-core CPU, 110-100 MPs WAN port, and 410-100 MPs LAN ports, offering basic connectivity options with fewer features compared to the Archer A6 III. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like E4 and IP6 and offer quality of service by device for efficient bandwidth management. They provide parental controls, NAT forwarding options, and DCP server functionalities. However, the Archer A6 V3 introduces on-mesh support, enabling you to create a more flexible network with TP-Link One Mesh products, enhancing coverage and connectivity throughout your home or office. In summary, while both routers offer reliable performance and essential features, the TP-Link Archer A6 V3 excels with its faster Wi-Fi speeds, additional security options including VPN server support, advanced hardware specifications, and one-mesh compatibility, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a versatile and high-performance router. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.